Alright guys, this is the first logo creation we are going to do now. Remember I sent you a wooden background. We are going to create a logo with a wooden background. It will look as if it is carved. Most of you have seen where I posted something like that. Now it's time for us to do it, but it has two stages. This is the first stage. Follow this video accordingly. You can do better than I am. You can do better than I'm doing now. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is to delete this text. Click on the deleting icon up. You see a bucket up, you click on it, delete. It will appear just like this. Now you click here. Once you click on it, you will see all these things. You click on shapes. It will turn out square shape like this. Now if I don't want to use square, what do? You click here. Me, I prefer half moon or circle. You click on half moon, it will appear just like this. So you give it a color black, and you press OK. It will be like this. Then if you click on the icon down, you will see where they said copy. Click on copy, it will be like this. Now this one you just copied, you go and give it a texture. See it here. You click on it. Now this thing will take you back to your phone files. You go and take on the first background I sent to you, which is the light wooden background. You click on it, it will be like this. Press good, okay. It will appear just like this. Now you bring it down, you reduce it a bit so that they will be seeing this black line at the back. Once after this, you click OK. It will be like this. Now what are we going to do next? We are going to write a text on it. Remember to click on the plus sign up. You see text. You click on text. It will come out like this. You click on this A icon down here also. You will see edit. Click on edit. You can be able to write text. Let me put my name there. You write your own name, don't write mine. It's a white concept. It will appear just like this. Now go to color. See color. You put it color black. It will appear just like this. Then you go to stroke. Look at it here. Click on stroke. You add it. Have you seen it? It become more bolder. And another thing, if you don't like this font, you go also to font. Look at it here. You click font. As you are clicking on it, you'll be displaying different types of fonts. All these things are fonts. You make your own choice and click on the one you want. Alright, let me choose this one. Something like this. Okay, this one is okay. Then it will be like this. Now go to texture again. No need of me circling it for you now. You know where it is. Go to texture again. Now go and import that same light wooden background you just apply in that half moon. Bring it again. Sorry guys, my own is a little bit down. It will now be like this. Now increase the stroke. The stroke is enabled. Now you increase it. Are you seeing it? Wow, this is nice. This is okay. Then next thing is go to import again. You import shapes. Now I need something to put on top. Love shape star. Which one? Let me choose star because I'm a star. Put it color black. It will be just like this. Now you can put it in the middle. Now I don't just want only one star. Maybe I need extra two. you do it copy, reduce it, you put it here, copy, reduce it, and you put it here also. So mine will look like this. Now the next thing is you click on this background that we are working with. Something like this will appear. Look for transparent. Yes, this is it. It will be like this. Now this is the first stage of this video. When you get to this stage, just save it by clicking on this thing that look like a memory card on top. Click on it. Now me myself, I save as both. I save as project and I save as image. You can do the same. I save as project, I write it maybe pkj. Now I still go back there and save it as image, but as png. Make sure it's on png because we are still going to use it for another work. Now you save. It has been saved. Thank you guys, and wait for the next video. You will see the marvelous thing we are going to do with this logo. But when you get to this stage, screenshot it and send to me. Let me see.